All right, number 14, we want to fill in the table below with even or odd. We're going to assume n is an integer and f to the nth means the nth power of f. Okay, so we have four scenarios. N is even when f is even, and we have n is even when f is odd, and then we have n is odd, f is even, n is odd, f is odd. So let's kind of look at what that looks like. So let's just say x squared. So f is even is going to be x squared. We'll have two of those. And then we'll have f is odd. So we'll say x to the third. And we'll have that twice. Okay. So with that being the case, so these are my different f's. And we're going to raise those to even and odd powers and see what happens. So f is even, and then we're going to, n is even. So if I raise it to a power of 2, you just multiply the powers, we get x to the 4th. Okay, so both even, I come out with an even power. And then it says f is even, but n is odd. So let's raise it to the 3rd power, do an odd power. 2 times 3, that still gives me 6. So that's still even. So when f is even, both cases, doesn't matter n is even or odd, we still get an even function. Now under this, f is odd, and the first case n is even, so let's just say a 2. 2 times 3 gives us 6. So that is still even. X to the 6th power is even. And then let's do odd. So just put another odd. So odd and odd, 3 times 3, x to the 9th, and that is odd. So everything is even except when they are both odd. So we're going to say even, 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 and then odd.